Let's take you to this now. The Groblersdal Magistrates Court in Limpopo is this morning expected to deliver judgment in the bail application of 4 accused in a case that's believed to be racially motivated. The 4 face charges that include assault of a female police officer, incitement of public violence, and the Contravention of Public Gatherings Act. For more, we now bring you SABC News reporter Pimani Baloyi. Pimani, thank you so much for your time. Just give us, of course, we know that this particular case relates to an ongoing, court case at the Groblersdal Magistrates Court. Just bring us up to speed in terms of, what is likely to then happen in court today.
Good morning, Unati, and good morning to our viewers. What is likely to happen today is that Magistrate Ahmed Mpago is supposed to take that stand behind me, Unati, and deliver judgment in terms of that bail application. Unati, as you mentioned, there are actually 2 separate cases that are happening in this magistrate court. The first one, which resulted in the second one that we are in today, it's not what is happening today. The first one pertains to 2 accused, Mr. Groblersdal and Mr. Grief, who allegedly assaulted their security guard employee and unleashed a dog on him. When they came to this court upon their second court appearance, when they were due to apply for bail, a group of people came to this court. They had applied for permission to march throughout the town of Groblersdal, and one of those people, we have visuals of that in front of SABC News cameras, attempted, there was a wall that police had put in to say this is how far the marchers can go in terms of not accessing the court building, and one of them tried to break through that wall and he was immediately arrested. But 3 additional people handed themselves over last week Monday, facing similar charges to him, the first one being of assault, with the state alleging that when he attempted to push through that wall, a female police officer was assaulted, and also the second one is incitement of public violence, with the second one being of contravening the act that allowed that gathering to happen. But we've seen 3 additional people brought in. Until last week we were here, all of them were applying for bail, and the contention is that the state, number one, is opposing bail for the first accused, Mr. Francois Fenemeve, but the bail application of the 3 others are unopposed, with the state stating that it does not look like there's reasons why they can oppose that bail application. But the main contention from the state is that Mr. Fenemeve is likely to commit similar offenses, that is, try to not follow the rules pertaining to a public gathering. Is likely to do the same thing, with the defense stating that court can just put a condition that he does not attend similar marches, and that he would abide to that, stating that they were able to confirm his address. He's not a flight risk. He does not have any priors. He does not have any pending matters. They do not understand why he should be kept in custody while he goes through the trial. But the defense also stated, like both 4 defense lawyers stated, that the strength of the state's case is quite weak, that the state will be mostly unable to prove specifically the assault charge against the 3 others who did not push through that wall with Mr. Fenemeve, but also the state would be unable to prove the public violence, because according to them, it wasn't a group of people who did this public violence. So stating that because the state is likely to lose this case at the end of the trial, there is no reason that the 4 accused should be kept in custody. But another thing that we had in this court last week, Unati, is that there's a 5th accused who is yet to be arrested. They might have been talk of him being unwell at this point in time, but that's what we know right now. They are facing incitement of public violence, contravening that Public Gatherings Act, and a charge of assault. The magistrate is expected to walk in at any point and deliver that judgment. We also expect the 4 accused to be brought in at any point so that they might hear that judgment. Unati?
Pimani, thank you so much for that. Of course, we will continue to monitor this particular case and see what the court has decided in as far as that bail condition is concerned. Pimani Baloyi out in Groblersdal Magistrates Court for us.